and welcome to Ginger Welsh Allotments. I am Bethan and I'm really pleased to be over here on the plot today because I've been at my parents' house for half term with my children, and I've been watching loads of your vlogs on YouTube, and it's been lovely to catch up with what you were doing, but it's really made me want to get over here and get my own stuff done. So I'm very pleased to get over here today, and first thing I'm going to do is show you what I've done in my shed. It's not entirely finished in here, but I do now have some shelves and I have my equipment here and some netting and fleece and what have you there, and my wheelbarrow. But I still got some boarding to do at the back, and I still need to put a shelf up along here so my veg truck can go in there, and I still need to get rid of the rotavator that's at the back, and then the workbench that's here can go at the back, and that will clear this space down here. And I've still got this corner bit to board here, and I can put another shelf there. But apart from that, it's more or less done, but that can wait now until a rainy day. I have spent most of the day breaking up the pallets that I showed you last time. I've got 2 more pallets left to break up, but I don't think the quality on that wood is that good, and this hopefully will be enough to finish off the raised beds that I want to do at the moment. I've run out of battery again with my reciprocating saw, and I probably need to go home now and put the batteries on to charge and have some lunch. I have managed to get this raised bed done, the frame around it, and I think you saw the start of that on my last vlog when I again had to go home and put the batteries on to charge. Well, I did come back that afternoon and cut the sides to length, so I joined all that together, and that's ready to go now once I get some manure and compost to go on top. And here's some more of the wood ready for me to chop down the sides and make some more raised beds. One job I'm going to do now before I go for lunch is break down the cardboard and weed that bed over there, and then cover that in cardboard. And if I get around to it, I might weed this patch here. It shouldn't need too much weeding. I have weeded it quite a bit, because that's almost ready to have its surround put in as well. With the cardboard, I just need to take off the sellotape that's on there, because the worms won't be able to digest that for me. And also in this box there's staples there, so I'll need to cut them out as well. So it'll take me a little while, not a huge long time, but it'll take me a little while to get that done. So I'm going to crack on with those jobs now, and I'll show you how I progress once I've finished. Here's that bed all weeded and got the cardboard over it. We do need some rain now because it's awfully dry over here. I'll be saying that all summer now. And I didn't get around to doing this bit, but that might be my job the next time I'm over here. It's 2:45 now, and I'm going to pop home and have something to eat because I'm feeling a bit drained. I don't know if I will come back this afternoon. If I do, I'll just do a little bit of weeding down the bottom, or maybe I'll put some more beds together, or maybe I won't come back at all, who knows. So what I'll do is I'll update you on how everything is progressing the next time I'm over here, or the next time I'm doing a vlog over here rather. So I'm pleased that that bed is in the background, and it's been a busy day but a lovely day. So all I could say about my work over here today is Lovely job! So I'll crack on with those couple of jobs now, and I'll show you how I've done when I've done. Does that make any sense?